We're back with the Mustang and we're changing the fuel tank and feeder hose today. So the first step is going to be getting the old one out. So in the trunk you can see the bolts go around the perimeter of the fuel tank, and you'll need a brush to scrub away the gunk and really put your elbows into it. And then a 3/8 socket will be over it and do the trick. So we're going to take these off and see what we find underneath. As you can see, we have the old fuel tank out. We have the new fuel tank over there on that blue towel. You can see we took out the fuel sending unit from the old tank, and that is held in by a locking washer. So what you'll want to do is put a flathead screwdriver in between these bars basically and hammer it lefty so it comes out. Then these will be exposed so that you can pull it out, and then you'll be able to grab the fuel sending unit from the tank. We also have the filler pipe that goes in through like this, and all of these kind of line up here. And the gas cap is also screwed in the circle area with a bolt. So you'll have to take that out from the inside in order to get this loose. Mine didn't have any other bolts or nuts, screws hanging out there. So you might get lucky and just have the cap. Otherwise you'll have to take these out as well. On the bottom, to get the fuel sending unit out, it is a 3/8. We replaced the line that will feed into the bottom of the fuel tank and connect to the fuel line that feeds up into the engine. Fun tip from Miles: if you do it how we have it now, you don't have to go on the ground. You can stand in the trunk and fix it while the fuel tank is out. Walk over to the fuel tank. We put this back into the tank. This will let us know, hopefully, if the gauges do work. It will show us how much fuel we have. You can see this little silver thing underneath of it. There is a rubber piece that will go between this and this silver piece. Then what you want to do is take a screwdriver, and these tabs that you see here will be closer to here, and you'll want to put the screwdriver like this and then hit it with a hammer so that it rotates, so that these silver or bright shiny silver pieces go under this gray tab, and then you can see where it starts to change shape because it's stuck there. It's not going to twist any further. So that's what you want. You can see that the shiny silver is under the gray here, here, and here, so all of the tabs are pushed and it is secure.
So real quick recap here. The gas tank is what you start with, then you drop the O-ring. It's a black gasket, it's an O-ring. You drop that in the groove. Then you place your fuel sending unit into the tank. There's notches, it only lets it go in one way. Then after that, you put your lock ring over top, and then you tap it in and hammer it righty-tighty like she was saying.
Now we will put the fuel tank back into the trunk.